you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said a dancing is your way. But they're closing all their doors, and they're wanting anymore. But I'm proud of what I say anyway. What I say should have been time. Even if I have to let you in everything, you get by, you can smile. You can never be too happy in this life. Without worrying, everybody hates a happy ending story. It's the one that gonna make you look around. You know they'll be down, but see your face and to make proud. It's been as long as I've been a friend every side. Let me hear you sing in a world and everybody hates the happy ending story. It's the one that goes and makes you go round and round and round and round. Let it bring you down to your place and to make proud. It's been a long and last day at the sun. Said I've heard and everybody hates the happy ending story. It's the one that gonna make you go around. Let it bring you down to a place and to make ground. It's been a long and rough prayer at the Thank you so much.
Dahil walang singer namin kaya ako nag-iingay dito.